guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I get this bomb voluminous twist out honey. So if you're interested in this video, please continue watching. Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting off with some dry, crusty hair. And so to detangle, we're starting off with the Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. This product helps you detangle hard to manage hair, leaving it tangle free and protected from breakage. It also has shea butter and olive oil to restore moisture in your hair. And guess what, guys? It can be used on wet or dry hair. Next, we're using the Curl La La. This custard gives long-lasting bounce to your curls, adds shine, and creates definition. As you see here, I'm starting to flat twist my hair and then do a 3-strand twist once I get towards the ends. And you can apply a little bit or a lot of this product to define your twist out. Whatever your style, this product will leave your hair well moisturized and soft to the touch. No caking and no flaking. Here you see me adding a little bit extra on the ends just to make sure your ends are popping, and then we are putting on this cold wave rod just to make sure our ends stay sealed and curled. So this is what your twist will look like. And here I'm going in the back and just doing some regular 3-strand twist, braiding it at the root. In the front I have 6 total flat twists, and in the back I will have 4 total loose 3-strand twists. So this is what your twist should look like once you're finished, and then just put on your satin bonnet and go to bed. And now here I am the next morning. It is super early and this is what my hair is looking like. We're going to take out those wave rods and our curls are popping on the ends already. And then you want to go ahead and detangle or unravel your twist. And you just want to do this very gently so you're not, messing up your curls or anything like that. And then when you unravel the flat twist, it actually separates them for you. Now once you unravel all of your hair, you want to go ahead and start separating each strand so you can get that volume that you want and you need for your juicy twist out. Alright guys, this is pretty much the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think this came out bomb and I am loving it, okay? Hashtag Aunt Jackie taught me. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm getting a lot of volume for day 1 hair. My curls are popping and I love the results. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you check out Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils products, and I love you guys so much. If you're a new subscriber, hello, welcome to the family, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tidball. Bye guys. Up, take time on me.